Yep. Somebody got caught with their hand in the cookie jar. Feel bad for him. Because where he going, these people like them. What? He done got out? No, he's right there. He's a big one, too. He is a big one. He's a big one. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he's a big one. Yeah, he got caught. Don't worry, buddy. Somebody coming to get you in a minute. Believe that. That's what you get. Ain't no stealing food around here, buddy. Ain't no stealing food around here, homeboy. Wow, look at him. Sitting there chilling. Don't worry. You got somebody coming for you, buddy. Somebody is coming for you. Yeah. He breathing real fast. Don't worry about it. You already know what time it is. You know what time it is. Sorry for you, bro.